Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by verifying alignment. Stand with ears over shoulders and shoulders over hips. Once you see neutral spine in a mirror or photo, set feet hip width and distribute weight evenly. Now initiate a gentle core brace. Think support, not sucking in, and soften your knees. Make sure shoulders are relaxed, not shrugged. Hold this brief reset for 10-15 seconds, breathe, and repeat 3-5 times. This immediate habit interrupts slouching and gives you a reliable internal reference to return to throughout the day. Once you have the reset, build the support system, perform scapular squeezes, pinch shoulder blades together without lifting shoulders, 10-15 reps for 3 sets. Then increase thoracic mobility using a foam roll or cat-cow for 1 to 2 minutes, because a stiff upper back forces the shoulders forward. Follow with targeted strength, rows or band pull-aparts, 8-12 reps for 3 sets to reinforce pulling muscles. Make sure to breathe and control each rep. Slow eccentric motion creates lasting posture improvements. You finish by turning corrections into habits. Set reminders every 30 to 60 minutes to perform a quick 30-60 second posture reset and a couple of scapular activations. Progress by adding load or reps weekly and document posture with periodic photos to track changes. Make sure your workstation ergonomics support neutral spine, monitor at eye level, elbows tilde 90 degrees. If you hit persistent pain or numbness, stop the exercise. Reduce range of motion, reassess setup, and consult a
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.